Hello everyone. So we are going to see a report in which a security researcher was able to bypass a rate limit. It was a very interesting vulnerability that was reported. That's why we are going to understand this and we are going to break down and see how the researcher was able to achieve this rate limit bypass. So as you can see here, the researcher sended a lot of requests to user underscore sign in, and the application rate limited saying too many requests. Later on, the researcher found out a way by adding a null byte. As you can see, he just added a null byte, that is %00, and he added this into the email field. As he added into the email field, as you can see over here, null byte is added with the email, and when he keeps adding this, he was able to bypass this, and he continuously got emails from HackerOne for reset password instruction. Yes, so he said, I thought it was worth reporting this because the rate limit bypass might exist in other areas, but with the use of null byte, he was able to bypass this. The staff quickly made it to not applicable, as it thought that automated email spamming is out of scope, but this vulnerability was something else. As the researcher again explained that by using a null byte, he can bypass the rate limit, and this was indeed an issue apart from spamming emails. They said makes sense, and they were able to reproduce the issue. Now, the researcher was said to again try for this vulnerability. As you can see, they have put protection in place that would prevent this issue from occurring. Now the attacker was able to again bypass using this. He was able to add this into the email field, and this was basically backspace, but he was able to bypass this. So there was no fix that happened actually. Let's go more down, and you can see they fixed this. Okay, now they fixed it, they released a patch, and they asked, can you try breaking it again? Again, this researcher was able to bypass this. So I retested, and it seems we can still use %09 over and over again to bypass the rate limit. As you can see, this is the post request field, and in the email field, this is the email field, he was able to add 090909, %09, %09, %09, through which he was able to again bypass this. As you can see, looking at your most recent case, adding 09 onto the AND would not be targeting the same email ID, but there was again a confusion, and it was solved again, as you can bypass the rate limit by appending %09 over and over. The team again reproduced the same vulnerability using Burp suite and fixed it, and now successfully this was fixed. The researcher was awarded with $500 bounty. So this was an awesome find according to us, that this researcher found out in the web application. Okay, so what are the lessons learned? We will send X numbers of simultaneous requests to the server, and the server will act on each request. We will do bypass for no rate limit using null byte. The first thing that we did was null byte. As you can see here, we added the null byte at the end of the email address, and keep adding %00 every time you are rate limited. After a while, you can go back to just %00, as it resets after so long. This was the first approach. Second, he was able to bypass using %0D, %0A, and achieve the same results by increasing %0D, %0A when we hit too many requests. This was the second bypass. Third bypass. So I retested, and it seems we can still use %09 over and over again to bypass the rate limit. So nope, not fixed yet. So in this video, the lesson learned is we are able to still bypass the rate limit by adding these types of null byte characters, and we can achieve no rate limit onto the web applications. So I hope you guys understood the breakdown of this vulnerability that was reported onto HackerOne. Thank you.